Sawadika. Hi everyone. Let's make Nong Gai Tod or fried chicken drumlets. Before we continue, make sure to give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. Alright then, let's go. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We have fish sauce, salt, white pepper, limestone paste water, chicken stock powder, rice flour, crispy flour, and chicken drumlets. Limestone paste water is actually optional, but you can get this in any supermarket near you. Having this will really enhance the crispiness of your chicken. Not only that, your chicken will stay crispy for longer too. So check out that channel for more info if you're interested. We will only be using the clear part, the clear water. Let's marinate our chicken. We have here our fish sauce and our white pepper. Mix, mix, mix. After we mix this well, we're gonna leave it in the fridge for 20 minutes. Let's make our frying batter. I'm just gonna pour everything in. Check out the full recipe in my description box below. This chicken is gonna be so crispy, I can feel it already. We mix this all well until there's no more clump left. Ta-da! After 20 minutes, we're gonna put them in a bigger mixing bowl because we want to evenly coat all of them with the crispy flour. So we should all of them. After we get this, we will dip it in the frying batter and drop it in the hot oil. Look at that golden color. This tastes as good as they look, I swear. Wow, swear. Okay, nice. It looks so good. Wow.
I call this finger licking good.
Would you look at that? Look at that skin. Let's give this a try. You hear that? That's one. Sweet, juicy chicken. This deserves to be paired with a nice bowl of white hot jasmine rice. It's so perfect, the saltiness, the crispiness, and like wow, everything is just right. The batter, the crispiness and the juiciness, and this is so easy to make. Like, please make this. Give this video a like if you find it helpful. Share and subscribe to support me and to be notified when the next video is up. Until then, see you next time with a new Thai recipe. Bye bye!